Hello everyone, today in the video I am going to show you all how to make a very traditional recipe of northern Sri Lankan cuisine. It's a root, or we can call it as sprout, taken from a tree called palmyra. So we are going to make a recipe using that palmyra sprout, or we can call it as a palmyra tuber. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. I have got some palmyra root yam here. I'm just going to cut off the edges and peel off the skin like this. And we need to boil this. Cut all the yams in the same way. Here I have taken a pressure cooker. I'm not going to add any pressure here. I'm just going to boil it. No need to put pressure. Just wash it nicely before you boil it. Add all the yams in. Add little bit of salt. And I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil for at least 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes the yams have been cooked nicely. If you try to open from the end, it will come very easily. That means it is boiled very well. If it is not boiled, it won't come like that. And then let's remove this part. You can eat it as such. You just have to remove like this, cut like this into pieces, and you can eat it immediately. But today I'm going to show you another recipe, how we eat. So I'm going to take out all the unnecessary things there, cut it as such. And make it into pieces. Now the yam pieces are ready, and these are the ones we have removed it from there. So we will be throwing this away. We are not going to use this anyway. Now I have taken a mortar and pestle. Into this I am going to add little bit of pepper as your wish. Instead of pepper you can use green chilies or red chili flakes as well. That gives a different flavor. Ground the pepper well. You even can make it in a sweet version by adding coconut and sugar. I'm taking the required amount of pepper, and into it I'm going to add in a small onion chopped finely, and I'm going to ground this as well. If you don't have this mortar and pestle, or if you feel this is too small, you can just put it through a blender. That also will work properly. And now I'm going to add in little bit of scraped coconut. Mix it well. And now little by little I'm going to add in the palmyra root yam, and I'm going to pound this very well until it becomes a paste consistency. Actually, if it is a small mortar and pestle like this, I would recommend you to use a blender rather than this, because this is very difficult. Now I have pounded all and made it into a paste, and now I am going to make it into balls. As I said before, you can use green chilies or red chili flakes instead of pepper. or if you want a sweeter version, use coconut and little bit of sugar. Now our recipe is ready. You can eat it as such without making this recipe as well, with little bit of salt or little bit of coconut piece. That also would give a nice taste. So if you find these yams, make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends, and be healthy. Stay safe. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.